Hey everyone, today I'm thrilling to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A52. It's it's one of the most anticipated smartphone of the year 2021. Let's dive right in. Here's the Samsung Galaxy A52 box. The packaging is minimalist and elegant, featuring the Samsung logo and the device name. The Galaxy A52 has a slim profile with a solid build quality. It feels comfortable in hands and the weight distribution seems well balanced. Let's see what else we have in the box. Here we have the USB Type-C charging cable, the wall adapter, a SIM card ejector tool, and some documentation. Samsung always provides everything you need to get started, and we have a transparent protective case included with the phone. Thanks for watching. Peace out.